It's Jazz, your favorite digital marketer, and I'm here to share a really cool tip with you today. So, before I do that, I want you to go ahead and like and subscribe at our channel so that you can get more great, wonderful tips like this. All right, so a lot of financial advisors have decided that they want to start a YouTube channel. And why not? There are 1.7 billion YouTube users. Also, if we're just looking at American statistics, 62% of YouTube users access YouTube. How often do you think they go on YouTube? Okay, the answer is daily. They are there daily. Okay, so that means there are plenty of potential for you to find your prospects and to get appointments and just to build your authority in a place that is free and that a place that will last forever. Well, until maybe one day YouTube shuts down, but I mean, will that ever happen? Who knows? Anyway, so the tip today is what we're doing is we're actually sprucing up your channel. We're taking your old camera and we're giving you something HD, and it's going to cost you almost nothing. The secret to an HD camera that costs you nothing is this: your cell phone. So yeah, we are turning your cell phone into an HD camera for YouTube. Okay. So let's see, a few things to keep in mind. This strategy is completely free for those who already have an Android and for those who use Android. If you are an Apple user, you're actually going to use a different service than the one I'm going to talk about. The service is called Cameo and it costs $4.99 a month. But if you are an Android user and a Windows user, this app is completely free for you. I am somebody who likes to MacGyver sometimes. I'm also somebody who doesn't rush out and buy the latest technology if I don't feel like I'm going to be a faithful user of it. Like I didn't buy a smartwatch until I'd ran a 5K. And I mean, I didn't buy dumbbells until I'd worked out at home for like a month, so this was like perfect for me. And also, when you reach that milestone that you set for yourself and then it feels so good. Yeah. So that's what I kind of do before I go out and buy something. But if you're somebody who wants to go out and buy a brand new camera for your YouTube channel, go ahead and do that. But I still think this is like the perfect tip for you, just in case, say you're traveling out of town and you have some kind of virtual meeting with a prospect and you want to look your best. Now you have this cool little hack that you can take with you wherever you go, because you're going to take your phone with you, most likely. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. You're going to head over to your computer. So open your Windows computer and head to the browser that you use. And inside the browser, go to the URL slot and type in dev47app.com. That's dev47app.com. And we are going to scroll down and we are going to download the app for Windows. Alrighty? So once that's finished installing, you're going to see a little window pop up. And it's got where you put the IP address and also where you put your port. And we're going to get that information from the phone. So let's head over to our cell phones. All right, cell phones open and we're heading over to the store. So inside the store, first things first, we're going to look for our app. The app is called DroidCam. So you're going to install DroidCam, and once it's on your phone, give it all the permissions, all of them, okay? It needs access to your camera. It needs access to your microphone. That's the whole point, okay? It's going to become your camera. So give it access, let it in, it's okay. Alrighty? Okay, so once the permissions have been given, what you're going to do is you're going to take the information that pops up on the screen and you're going to put it inside your computer. You put the IP address so that they match, and you want to make sure the port matches, and then you want to press start, and that is it. It's super simple. That's all you need to do. You've got your camera going. You can angle it up any way you want to, tape it to your computer, get a cute little stand if that's what you want to do. But now you look beautiful, baby. All right. Just a quick little tutorial on how you can toggle between the two on Zoom. You'll open Zoom and you'll head down to the little camera icon. And then when you click the little arrow that's on the camera icon, you can choose which camera you want to use. And of course, you always want to use the one that makes you look your best. Okay? So I hope this tip was helpful to some of you, all of you in some kind of way. And if you liked it, let us know in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you again very, very soon.